This is a 1972 Jensen Interceptor Mark III. Beautiful car, and it has a Mopar engine, 440 cubic inch engine, which is what Jensen's had. And I hope you read this description here. This gentleman indicates this car was in pieces for 10 years. Fortunately, it was bagged and labeled appropriately, but it was the labor of a lifetime to get it all together. 6,200 hours, he figures, he has put into the car. As you see, there's a hatch in the back. It's a beautiful blue paint. And I would assume that's a speaker assembly in that in the trunk there. Has a white top. And there's the beautiful upholstery. Matches the exterior perfectly. Looks like it's a 2+2 configuration. Has a torque flight automatic and air conditioning, which makes it an excellent touring car. It's an object lesson for anybody that considers a project and what you can be involved with the project. Over 6,000 hours for this project. But if you want these results, you have to put in the time. This one sure is in really great condition. And it was here at this Mopar meet at the Florida Agriculture Center in Ocala.